Hi, welcome to 30minutetrade.com. I have the 17 years of experience as a professional trader. I will recommend all the daily daily stock picks and as well as on the weekly basis. So I go through the many stocks to give the best out of them for the next week and as well as the next coming day. And also I reviews a lot of stocks on weekly basis. I will give the um, I will give the recommendations that you need to execute. So a lot of work I do, and you only need to spend 30 minutes per day for execution. This is the week. Today I think I'm showing you what this week profits. um, Also I recommended these these stocks: Perry, REKR, NENPH, DRD, Zini, and Inspiration. And these stocks performed very well. So and also market is also supported very well. Let's go and jump into the what are the stocks that we can buy in the coming week, and as well as we will go to the market review how market is working. um, let's jump into the market. Let's see, first we will review the what the market is telling and how we can work on the next coming week. So if you see the Nasdaq Composite, it looks like it reached the top, because market is extended too much for the last 3 weeks, I think, 3 to 3 months. So with that mind, I think I think in the coming week, I think we will expect some kind of a pullback here. So on weekly basis, if you see, it, it's it's in the top, so high range. So I think we will see some kind of a pullback coming week. I hope we will get the some pullback so that we can get the good entry point for the next turn. Mm, let's go to the SPY is also same thing, same kind of pattern setup is for this market. I think SPY is the SP 500. So major stocks, I think, are in this list. So still it is an uptrend. It didn't break, but we can expect some kind of pullback. But it is overextended, so be cautious. When it comes to the stock percent of stocks above 40, um, this one is looks like trying to pull back. In what it tells that sellers are dominating for the last 1 week. So it is coming less. I mean, most of these sellers are dominated at this point, so we can expect some kind of a some kind of this like this down. So most of the people will sell, but we don't know whether it is a orderly pullback or suddenly it goes down. We don't know yet, but looks like buyers not encourage sign. So buyers are slowly they are taking profit in their positions. So with that mind, I think in next week, I think so we will buy with very little or less positions, or some kind of a pilot positions or minor positions we will initiate with that mind, so that our risk and profit is the we can accommodate it in that way. So let's go to the yesterday what I recommended. So let's go review that part. So Neo I recommended yesterday, still it is in the buy range in the weekly chart. If you go, it looks like it is in buy range. So and also it's supporting the 10-day line. So I had initiated today in the um, end of the day, because it didn't violate the selling, so this range is still good. So REKR, as I told you yesterday, so on Friday I think we need to expect some more down. So let's see. Monday I think if it supports at this point, I will add more. So in this range, I think I took the profit at this level. I think here also, here I took the profit. So I will wait until I think Monday, if it is market is good or some, I will initiate. FRTA, Forterra also I initiated. I think today I initiated during at the end of the day. So still it is range. So looks like very good. ENPH, as I told you, so I'm expecting some pullback. So I think it pulled back today. I need one more or two days pullback here, so to support the 10-day line. So once it comes little bit, then I will initiate the position. HZNP, still it is in the range, so it might take a little more time to break out. Sienna, so as I told you yesterday, I think might be on Fridays. I think it might pull back, so still it is in the range. And if I get the two more positive days here, 1 or 2 days, then we can initiate here. Nvidia also continuously 4 5 days up, so we might expect some pullback here, little bit pullback. So maybe we can initiate at this time, 239, once it pull back. So let's go to this week, what I have recommended and how it performed. So with that very I recommended here, and it went up until 28%. It's a huge profit. If you initiate anyone, I think is one of the best stock, I think, this week. So if you see we can, if there is some pullback here, some range, I think if we get some range here, I think I will initiate in this position. Still the rally didn't over yet. Rekor also I told you yesterday, I think. So let's see some pullback here, and I will initiate it. DRD is a gold, it's kind of a gold stock. So it is in uptrend. So still it is an uptrend. So any pullback, I think, is good to buy at this time. And Zini also same thing. I think it is down, it's going up. So I'm expecting some pullback. I don't know whether it will give the chance to initiate, but I'm expecting some pullback here because it's too high at this time. Because any 4 days up, it is not good to buy, because suddenly it will pull back here in 1 day or 2 days. So it's not good to buy at this time. But we got 9.25%. ENPH also same thing. INSP is also very good. I think as I told you, is trying to break out. I think so. Last 4 or 5 days it is up. So right now it's a profit taking. So once it pull backs, then you can initiate. But when all these 4 or 5 stocks are performed very well, I initiated in a couple of Monday or Tuesday, something like that, I think. SEC is also still in the range, you can buy. But I want to see until here 3.51. BVXV, it is in the range. Whoever wants to, might be it is very high beta stocks. If you want to initiate any of these position, be careful, because it might low price stock, and um, enter a small position, not the whole account, something like that. It's GNP still in the range, Splunk still in the range, Nvidia still in the range, so you can expect some pullback here. FRTA I initiated today. Neo I also initiated this one today. Sienna, I think we need to see one more update here to initiate. ACA looks like it's still in the range. We can expect some kind of a range here, more range. PDFS, yeah, as I told you yesterday, I think it might pull back here. So once it pull back, I think we can initiate. MTEM also some kind of pullback needed. Still, it's in the range. Korea also same thing. Cure. EIDX, I am expecting, as I told you earlier, I think I need a pullback. RDNT still in the range, so it didn't violate the any of the range. So ACL is also still in the range. Zami looks like I don't know whether it's not a better to buy here because huge volume came here, so might be it will come down a little bit, so be aware of that. So any positions, if it is less than 5% your buy point, came down 5% below of your buy point, better to sell it. RO same thing. Xoma also I think this is not good one at this time. We can expect some kind of range. So ARDX also I don't recommend now. It's not not good way. Yeah, it's not a good range. NPTN, so this one also I will try to avoid this time. AC, yeah, it's still supporting. It pulled back as I told you in the early of this week, so still in the range. So we'll see how it works in the next coming week. So what is my so whenever I get the below 5% or 4%, something like that, my risk is only, I think right now at this time is only around 3%. So if it goes below 3%, I will sell it, even though pattern is good, because if from my buy point, if it is if it's not working, then I straight away remove that one stock. So we have so many other stocks, we can buy it in the meantime. So I don't want to stick with the I don't want to hope. There is no hope here until the market good, and if money comes, then it's good. Okay, let's go to the today's recommendations. This week, I think these kind of stocks I recommend. Yeah, be cautious on this one also, because the market supports, I think you can initiate. If still we are expecting kind of a pullback at this time, because market is overextended. I'm repeating a couple of times on this one, because the BVXV, as if you go to the long term, still in the range. Weekly chart is still in the range, so it's we'll see. If you have guts, I think it's low price stock and also low volume stock, so it might immediately come down and again goes up, so be aware of that. REKR is also, if it works in the Monday and the positive signal, if it comes positive signal, then I will buy it. ACIU, if it forms here range positive one more positive day, then I will initiate it. ACIU is good. Let's go and see the fundamentals. Fundamentally, sales per quarterly, it is increasing. Every sales are increasing so much. This is biotech, so suddenly if any news comes, it jumps like anything. And also EPS, earnings per share, also increasing 220%. So these two things are good to buy, because these two fundamentals are encouraging to buy. And also last 1 year it's performing very well. Quarterly wise is performed very well, so be aware of that one. So, and also it extended, and also it will become range here, I think. So once range over, I think we can buy it. CLLS also is very good. This also biotech. Biotech stocks are performing well these days. So yes, come to the weekly ones. It's going up for the last 2 to 3 months. So still in the range, it didn't break out, and also last week also positive. So let's see how it works. I think so. Might be I will initiate on Monday. Neo still I have position in this one. IVAC, aerospace and defense. If you come to the weekly chart, looks is very good, and also low price. So I like this stock, and because the pattern setup, everything is good. There's always pullbacks and then going up, always pullbacks, something like that, range. So pattern looks very good. And also we'll see what are the fundamentals. Sales quarterly is increasing and consistent. EPS also quarterly by quarterly is 57.1%, and also last 1 year it's is performing very good. Okay, P by E is also very good. Price per earnings 30.6, still in the high upper range. So, and also lot of 2 times I think it got upgraded to the buy. So that's encouraging to buy it. QDEL is very nice. Cup with the handle, again range, and again handle. Then it's volume is also increasing on the daily basis. So any little pullback here, I think we can initiate, and also it's going up very well. And also it's trying to break out the range on the weekly chart. So once it breaks out, then it never stops, I think. MU is the Micron Semiconductors. Is one of the popular stock. If you see the weekly chart, looks very good. It's in the range. Cup with the handle is in the range. So yeah, any pullback or anything anywhere, I think you can initiate. HZNP, same, it is still in the range. Sientra also I recommended yesterday, same thing, it's in the range. So any positive day is good to buy. FRTA I already have the position. So RDVT software, this is a technology red violet. If you see here, very good cup with handle, and broke out again formed range, so handle with the handle above handle is good to buy anything on the pattern wise. And also just see it started from here to here. So let's see how far. 134%, so it moves very fast. So any pullback, I think I will initiate, I think so. Next week I think it's better to buy. So these are the couple of 12 stocks I am recommending Monday and next coming week. Let's see, how it goes. Whether the market encourages, then we can initiate position. So um, with that in mind, um, so if you like this video, please click the like button as well as the subscribe it, so that you will get the latest video and updates on the market as well as the recommendations that you are ready to initiate in the next coming week. um, and also help yourself, and also the encourage share to the others about this video on the channel, and also you are helping yourself as well as the others also you are helping. So in that way, thanks for watching, and happy trading, happy weekend. Thank you.